How to fix your account cannot be created at this time Apple ID error. So first you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Sometimes a poor connection can cause this error. Number two, restart your device. Restart your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. A simple reboot often fixes temporary glitches. Number three, check Apple system status. Go to Apple system status and confirm if the Apple ID service or iCloud is experiencing a downtime. Now update your device. Make sure your device is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. You can also sign out of iCloud. If you're already signed into iCloud, try signing out first. 6. Clear date and time settings. Incorrect date and time can cause problems with Apple servers. So go to Settings, General, Date, Time, Enable Set Automatically. Number 7, reset network settings. This will reset your Wi Fi networks and password cellular settings and VPN, APN settings. Go to Settings, General, Reset network settings. And then lastly, contact Apple support. If none of the above steps work, reach out the Apple support to personalize help. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.